Hey, this is Dr. Bisanga, and just want to take this opportunity to wish you a wonderful Christmas. Wish you joy at Christmas and prosperity for this coming year. Hopefully, with the pandemic behind us, we can resume our normal daily life. But I just want to show my appreciation to all our patients who trusted us in 2020 despite this pandemic. We appreciate you, and we send you our best wishes for this Christmas period. Stay safe. The end of the tunnel is coming soon. 2021 will be different than 2020. Merry Christmas.